This video is only for educational purpose and security purpose. If you do any illegal activity or malicious activity by watching our video, it's your own risk. We don't take any type of illegal responsibility. Hey guys, welcome to IndianIDOfficial.com. In previous tutorial, we was learn what is food printing, types of food printing and how to do food printing. In this video, we will know what is a scanning and types of a scanning. So without wasting time, let's get started. So what is a scanning? Guys, you should to know scanning is second step of hacking after food printing. A attacker wanna know more information about the target system and they gather more information about the target system by using a scanning step. Let's try to understand. After food printing process and a scanning process, attacker know lots of information about the target system, like what's target location, what's target IP address, live or not, and in which operating system using target, like Windows NT, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and server operating systems like Linux, Unix, Apache server, IIS server, and which types of ports are open and running on the target system. And also which service is running on the target system like Telnet, FTP and more services who come with built-in operating system. So this type of information help attacker to gather more information about the target system, and these types of gathering information is called a scanning. A scanning is important to both attackers and those responsible for security hostage. Guys, responsible for security hostage means white hat hacker, cyber security network expert, pen tester. If a company hire a pen tester for security purpose, then pen tester firstly scan all the networks of company and check what or which types of ports are open or running in the company network and what type of built-in services are running in the company network. And then pen tester or cyber security cell fix it for security purpose of a company. Let's know types of scanning. There are three types of scanning. First is port scanning, second is network scanning, and third is vulnerability scanning. So what is port scanning? Let's try to understand. An open port means that something is listening on that port and that you can communicate with whatever is running on that port, which is potential entry for a hacker. Open port helps attacker for access in the target system. It is also types of vulnerability or loopholes in a computer network. Port is a logical connection that allow data to be sent from one application to another application to another directly. There are 65,536 available ports on a computer, but we know only 1024 ports. If any port is open, then an attacker will attack on the target system with the help of port. Like use website, we use HTTP port number 80. For mail services, we use POP or IMAP. Port number is 113 and IMAP port number is 143. And now try to know little bit of service. What is services? Services is a process requiring no user interaction that run on a computer, facilitates the functioning of the computer, operating system and associate application like Telnet and FTP. These services can give access to take remotely of the target system. These services are God services for attacker. Now second is network scanning. Network scanning refers to use of a computer network to gather information regarding computer system. Network scanning is mainly used for security assessment, system maintenance and also for performing attack by hackers. Recon guys, available UDP and TCP network services running on the target hostage. In network scanning, an attacker scan IP addresses or live hostage system architecture for get more information about the target system. And now vulnerability scanning. Vulnerability scanning is an inspection of potential point of exploit on a computer or network to identify security holes. A vulnerability scan detects and classifies system weakness in computer or networks. Otherwise, If there an exploit available, he will run it against the server and take complete control. If there is not any, he would move to another open port and try again on a different services. But guys, all attackers are not work like same way. Some attackers find a new vulnerability with different way, and that this type of vulnerability said 0 day, otherwise O day. 0 day vulnerability means no one knows the vulnerability. So the hacker could start hacking thousands of websites, servers and computers before the vulnerability is discovered and patched, and the hackers could sell vulnerability for thousands of dollars. I hope you guys are understand what is a scanning and why important a scanning in ethical hacking. In next tutorial I will show you practical of a scanning. So guys, tell me in comment section these information are helpful for you or not. And sorry guys for late uploading video due to coronavirus. Our teammate is not attending, so this is the purpose for late uploading video. Guys, if this video is helpful for you, then subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, share this video and give a like or positive comment. Thanks for giving your attention. Hope this day is good for you. Bye bye.